I'm Ron from Kolleno, your go-to platform for efficiently managing accounts receivable with NetSuite. Today I will show you how to create a subscription from a transaction like an opportunity, estimate, or sales order. So here I'm doing it on a sales order. And the first thing to do on the transaction record is to select the customer. Once the customer is selected, you complete all the required fields as necessary. To add a subscription, you first need to subscribe to this YouTube channel. It's very important. And then on the item subtab here, you can see I can select an item. So I'll choose, for example, this one, recurring. And then on the right hand side, you will see the subscription list. So you have several options. You can decide to create a new one or select an existing one. So here I will select an existing one. You would have selected new if you wanted to synchronize the transaction with sales or move lines to pending activation. Once you've entered the subscription details, you can click on add. And once this is done, you will have the save button here. Depending on your setup, you will need to approve it. That's it, it's that simple. So make sure to like this video and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.